in the pre-elementary department, while the kinder one pupils are indeed very excited to move on the next preparatory level. Now that we are gathered here today, we would like to thank our parents for taking care of us. Their unconditional love is the best gift we ever received. To our teachers, Mrs. Julita Elger, Mrs. Pascual, Mrs. Adelita Bata, Mrs. Agnes Hasmin, Miss Cordelisa Roquete, and of course, Ate Jonah. We salute you for your patience and guidance. Your dedication to your work makes you indeed heroes of today's generation. Maraming salamat po at sa inyong mga kakubata. Mag-aral tayo mabuti, magsikap at maging bahagi sa pag-unlad ng ating bansa. Tandaan, tayo ang ligaya ng ating mga magulang at tanging pag-asa ng ating unang bayan. Kaya, huwag sana natin silang bibigyan. And to God Almighty, we give Him back all praises and glory. To Him, we give our highest adoration and thanksgiving. Ladies and gentlemen, be with us throughout the program, so that we may share with you the humble fruits of our efforts, and while we can still enjoy the glory of it all, welcome to our 35th kindergarten graduation program. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
Proud mama na naman. Asan na si mama? Ayan. Di makita. Naka-zoom.